What's up?
What's up?
We're here on our new job. Isn't this fun?
Pretty cool.
This is going to be a pool house. And it's going to go right here from that corner. It'll come out this way 14 feet and it'll go this way 28 feet. And I will roll in some pictures of it, some video right here. There's the existing pump. There's a little electrical panel over there. Part of this video is for my electrician and plumber. I'm not sure, looking at those conduits for the electrical, that's probably just enough electrical for the pump. And so probably what we'll have to do is run a new conduit from our slab over to the house, because they had run these. Barret, pop the lids off again. They ran a line for water and some electrical there, and probably phone and cables or whatever. But I would guess that those go over there. But that's what we have to find out. Look at this beautiful old weeping willow tree, Barret. Isn't that nice? Good thing that's not in the way. Get it? That box is full. Okay, well, that probably goes to the pump, I'm guessing. First thing we have to do is take up this fence, probably from the corner over there to a good bit past the pool house. We'll pick one of these sections, and then we'll have to create a temporary fence around it just to keep people, you know, neighboring kids and dogs out of the pool. So we'll have a little bit of work to do before we get started. Barret, one thing I just noticed is there's this little swale right here that drains around. See?
Oh yeah. And
it was to protect the pool. The grade does this, if you can't see it in the camera, comes down and goes back up. So I don't think that's going to affect us because our corner starts over there. So that goes past our, one thing we don't want to do is create a dam, you know, dam up the water on this corner. I think we'll be fine. Okay, so we're back in the office and I'm in my SketchUp drawing. I use a SketchUp Pro 2014, if anybody's wondering. I always get those questions. What kind of software are you using? Which is neat, you know, to share the information. But here's our design. This will be facing the street. We'll have a small gable here to sort of give it more character facing the street. And these, this is the bathroom window here. These horizontal 2x6s will act as blinds to give it a little more privacy from the street. And that's a detail that's kind of yet to be worked out, but we'll come up with something cool for that. You can see here that we're using a post and beam construction. We've got 8x8 posts. These are 4x12 beams here, header type beams, and cross ties, collar ties, whatever you want to call them, and 4x6 king posts, and 4x8 rafters. And then we'll have these small braces here holding up our barge rafters for the overhang. So if we go inside, see if I can manipulate this space the way I want to. We'll have a little bar area here, and this is going to be kind of neat. I'm going to hopefully be able to build a concrete countertop here. That should be fun to do. We've got a little toilet room here, there, and then a storage room here. And we've got our tank, our grinder pump tank in the floor there. I did talk with the owner about switching the toilet to this wall that separates the two rooms. Let me go to our floor plan and I'll show you that. The toilet and the sink will get rotated now 90 degrees, and they will basically get moved to here, and then we'll simply just move the door we will move it down like that, and I'll swing it the other way. So I didn't mean to really get into all the revisions now, but anyway, just trying to give you an idea there, so that will line up so the plumber can run the plumbing back into the grinder pump basin. So those two will be lined up like that, and I'll fix the door so that it's working properly. So let's go back to our elevation here, our perspective, and I'll just show you some of the features here. We talked about the window there, the little casement window in the bathroom. This end will build the walls inside the post and beams so that you can maintain that look of structure on this end instead of running the siding over that, and the same on this side. But this side will probably have a little shower head on it so that they can shower off before or after the pool. And so I'm probably going to recommend we put some kind of slate or some kind of moisture resistant material on this face, just because water's going to be splashing up against that part of the building. And this slab will be flush with the pool, so you'll be able to just walk right up here to this little bar area and sit. There won't be a ledge there like I'm showing, but you'll be able to get under here, when it's really hot, and sit in this area in the shade, and that'll be really nice. So I just wanted to give everybody an idea of what the design looks like, and I hope you'll follow us along. I'll have vlogs as we go along, the different phases, when we pour the concrete, when we do the framing, when we do the roofing, and all that. So it should be a fun little project. And so thank you for watching.
Nice.